Namaste. I, JVN Dr. M.P. Sharma, Professor, Department of Physiology and Biochemistry, Faculty of Homeopathy Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today's my digital version 2.0 topic is hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is the iron containing coloring matter of red blood cells, and it is chromoprotein forming 95% of dry weight RBC and 30 to 34% of weight fat. Function of the hemoglobin is to carry the respiratory gases, oxygen and carbon dioxide. It also acts as a buffer. Molecular weight of the hemoglobin is 68,000. Normal hemoglobin contains average hemoglobin content in blood is 14 to 16 gram per deciliter. However, the value varies depending upon the age and sex of the individual. Age at the birth 25 gram per deciliter, after 3 months, third month 20 gram per deciliter, after first year 17 gram per deciliter, from puberty onwards 14 to 16 gram per deciliter. At the time of birth, hemoglobin content is very high because of increased number of RBC. Sex in adult males 15 gram per deciliter, in adult females 14.5 gram per deciliter. Main function of the hemoglobin is transport of respiratory gases, oxygen from the lungs to tissue, carbon dioxide from tissues to lungs. Transport of oxygen when oxygen binds the hemoglobin, a physical process called oxygenation occurs, resulting the formation of hemoglobin. The iron remains in ferrous status in this compound. Oxyhemoglobin is an unstable compound and combination is reversible. Transport of the oxygen when oxygen binds the hemoglobin with the oxygenation occurs, resulting the formation of the oxyhemoglobin. The iron remains the ferrous state in this compound. Oxyhemoglobin is an unstable compound and combination is reversible. When oxygen binds with hemoglobin, a physical process called oxygenation occurs, resulting the formation of oxyhemoglobin. Iron remains in ferrous state in this compound. Oxyhemoglobin is an unstable compound and combination reversible. When more oxygen is available, it combines with hemoglobin, and whenever oxygen is required, hemoglobin can release oxygen readily. When oxygen is released from oxyhemoglobin, it is called reduced hemoglobin or ferrohemoglobin. Oxyhemoglobin is unstable compound. Its combination is reversible. When oxygen is released, it reduced hemoglobin or ferrohemoglobin. When carbon dioxide binds with the hemoglobin, carb hemoglobin is formed, and it is also unstable compound, and the combination is reversible. In carbon, the carbon dioxide can be released from this compound. The affinity of the hemoglobin of carbon dioxide is 20 times more than that of oxygen. Hemoglobin is conjugated protein. It consists of proteins combined with the iron containing pigment. The protein parts is globin and the iron containing pigments in heme. Heme also form a part of structure of myoglobin. oxyhemoglobin pigment in muscles, and neuroglobin pigment in brain. Normally, it is present in the ferrous form and it is unstable or loose from the some abnormal conditions like ferric state, which is stable form. Porphyrin, the pigment or part of the heme is called porphyrin, porphyrin, and it is formed by the pyrrole rings called 1, 2, 3, and 4. The pyrrole rings are attached to and to each pyrrole in ring and end of globulin. Globulin contains four polypeptide chains. Among the polypeptide chains are refer table number 11.1 for molecular weight and number of amino acids in the polypeptide chain. Hemoglobin is two types: adult hemoglobin HbA and fetal hemoglobin HbF. The replacement of the fetal hemoglobin by adult hemoglobin state immediately after birth, and it is completed at about 10 to 12th week after birth. Both the type of the hemoglobin differ from each other structurally and functionally. In adult hemoglobin, the globulin contains two alpha chain and beta chain. The fetal hemoglobin, there are alpha and beta chain instead of the beta chain. Functionally, fetal hemoglobin has more affinity for oxygen than that of adult hemoglobin, and the oxygen hemoglobin dissociation curve of the fetal blood in the shifted to the left. Abnormal type of the hemoglobin varies. Varieties are the pathogenic mutant form of the hemoglobin, and these varieties are produced because of the structural changes in the polypeptide chain caused by the mutation in the gene of the globin chains. Most of the mutation do not produce and any serious problem. Occasionally, few mutation results in some disorder. There are two categories of the abnormal hemoglobin immunopathies. Hemoglobin is thalassemia and related disorder. Hemoglobinopathies is in a genetic disorder caused by the abnormal polypeptide chain hemoglobin. Some the hemoglobinopathies are hemoglobin S, and it is found in the sickle cell anemia. In this, the alpha chain are normal and beta chains are abnormal. Hemoglobin C, the beta chain of the abnormal, it is found in the people who are characterized by the mild hemolytic anemia and splenomegaly. Hemoglobin E, here also beta chain are abnormal and it is present in the people who are the hemoglobin E disease of the, which is also characterized by the mild hemolytic anemia and splenomegaly. The hemoglobin M, it is the abnormal hemoglobin present in the form of the methemoglobin. It occurs due to the mutation of the genes of both in a alpha and beta chain, resulting in abnormal replacement of amino acid. Hemoglobin in thalassemia and replaced disorder. It is present. The polypeptide chains are decreases absent of the abnormal, and in the alpha thalassemia and the alpha chain are the decreases absent or abnormal in the beta thalassemia and beta chain of the decreased absent or abnormal. Some of the abnormal hemoglobin found in the thalassemia are hemoglobin G, H, I, Bark, Kenya, Lepore, and Constant Spring. Hemoglobin derivatives refer to a blood test to detect the measure of the percentage of the abnormal hemoglobin derivatives are carrier The Hb is the only carrier of the transport of the oxygen, without which tissue's death occurs within few minutes. When hemoglobin is altered in the its oxygen carrying capacity decreases, resulting in a lack of oxygen. So it is important to know about the causes and the effect of the abnormal hemoglobin derivatives. Abnormal hemoglobin derivatives are formed carbon monoxide (CO) poisoning or due to some drugs like nutrients, metals, and abnormal hemoglobin derivatives are carboxyhemoglobin, methemoglobin, sulfohemoglobin. Normal percentage of the hemoglobin derived in total hemoglobin. Carboxyhemoglobin 3% to 5%, methemoglobin less than 3%, and sulfohemoglobin trash. Carboxyhemoglobin is carbon, or carboxyhemoglobin is the abnormal hemoglobin derivative formed in the combination of the carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide with hemoglobin. Carbon monoxide is a colorless and odorful gas. Since hemoglobin has 200 times more affinity of the carbon monoxide than the oxygen, and it hinders in the transport of the oxygen, resulting in tissue hypoxia. Normally 1% to 3% hemoglobin is in the form of the carboxyhemoglobin. Sources of carbon monoxide: charcoal burning, coal mines, deep well, underground drainage system, exhausted of gasoline engines, gases from the gas guns and other weapons, heating system with poor or improper ventilation, smoke from fire, tobacco smoking, silent symptom of the carbon monoxide poison, while breathing air with less than 1% of carbon monoxide, the HB saturation is 15 to 20%, and mild symptoms like headache and nausea appears while breathing air with more than 1% carbon monoxide. The hemoglobin saturation is 30% to 40%, and it causes severe symptoms like convulsion, cardiorespiratory arrest, unconsciousness, and coma. When hemoglobin saturation increases above 50%, of death occurs. Methemoglobin and abnormal hemoglobin derived from the where iron molecules hemoglobin in oxide from the normal ferrous state to ferric state. Perihemoglobin, normal methemoglobin level is 0.6% to 2.5% total hemoglobin. Under normal circumstances, also body faces the threat continuous production of the methemoglobin. Namaste, Amisha Kusrovatia. Hope you are satisfied with the digital version 2.0 session. Hemoglobin. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. So we will have a problem solving live session for your queries. Thank you.